All right, big news coming in from the top court on the issue of pollution. CJI talks tough. This is what the court has said. Court not seeking credit-only solutions. The CJI has also questioned delay by the expert body. Strict emission norms, parking policy likely. Supreme Court has flagged vacancies in the pollution board, asking why is it that hotspots cannot be identified. Supreme Court says it only seeks solutions. Also saying that cars have become a status symbol. CJI said rich should make some sacrifices and the only solution to that is public transport. Let's go across to Harish, our legal editor, joining us on the broadcast with more details. I believe the court also spoke about stubble burning and said one should stop only blaming stubble burning and farmers, and also cited how during COVID, despite stubble burning, one could see clear sky. So the point that the court is making is that stubble burning is not the only factor contributing to pollution.
Yes, that's right, Swati. Very interesting remarks coming in from the Chief Justice of India, Suryakant. He goes on to say that cars have become a status symbol. Rich should make some sacrifices. People who ride cycles save money and buy scooter. Then he wants to buy a car, and this goes on. Solution ultimately is only public transport. Vehicles in the road should be lessened, brought down. Also, people should feel attracted to electric vehicles these days. Many electric vehicles are available in the market. The court has directed the CAQM that the CAQM should hold a meeting of experts within 2 weeks to identify major causes of AQI surge, identify the factors causing maximum pollution and address it. Supreme Court said don't always blame stubble burning and farmers. Even during COVID time, stubble burning happened. It was winter, but we had a clear sky. We could see stars. Then how can you blame stubble burning alone? This is what the Chief Justice is asking, and says find what are the major sources of pollution, bring it in public domain. Some reasons are attributable to citizens of Delhi NCR themselves. Vehicular pollution causes at least 40% of the pollution. And we don't want to be super experts, consult domain experts. And the Chief Justice is saying we don't want credit for any ideas. We are only seeing issues which an expert body can determine. So all the parties should consult domain experts and come up with suggestions which we can implement. And some suggestions of the Chief Justice was minimize pollution, transition to electric vehicles, push for public transport, and only vehicles with clean emission be allowed. Set strict emission standards, proper parking policy, and fill vacancies in the pollution boards. And Supreme Court said that not just before or after winter or during winter, Supreme Court will hear this pollution batch of matters every month now throughout the year, so that there is no knee-jerk panic reaction during the winter, and very clearly saying that we are looking for a long-term solution.
All right. So, Harish, the court has also asked why is there a delay in identifying the hotspots, and also cited that how there are vacancies in the pollution boards.
Yes, it's a very important question raised by the Chief Justice, saying that we always quote reports after reports, but now since recently we have seen an AQI surge with several hotspots, witnessing 600 plus, 500 plus, and Chief Justice is saying that this showed that all our measures taken till now was a failure. Why is there a delay in finding out the exact factors? Why you are just putting the blame on the doorsteps of the farmers? You should identify which factor causes how much pollution, like vehicular pollution, industrial activity, construction activity, vehicular pollution, and what is the percentage of these factors causing pollution, and works on the most gravest factor. And CAQM has been directed to hold a meeting, should hold a meeting at domain experts within 2 weeks to identify major causes of AQI surge and identify long-term plans.
All right, Harish, thank you very much for putting things into perspective. Moving on, we are going to put the spotlight